Meanwhile, Ahmad Zahid expressed concerns about the high tide phenomenon in the East Coast waters expected next week, which could worsen the flood situation, and this will consequently affect Pahang and Johor.
Akan menerima luruan hujan dan juga air di sungai yang akan melempah daripada Terengganu ya ke Pahang, dan sungai daripada Pahang juga akan melempah ke Johor ya. Tetapi kita mengikut panduan daripada MET dan juga JPS dalam perkara ini untuk mengatur gerak kedua-dua negeri ini.
Ahmad Zahid called on all government agencies and departments to postpone any meetings or courses in Kelantan and Terengganu which are currently hit by floods. Meanwhile, non-governmental organizations have also been involved in the flood response due to their various skills, which can be especially useful at temporary evacuation centres. He added that locations not registered as PPS are allowed to be opened as temporary shelters at the discretion of district officers to ensure that the welfare of flood victims is safeguarded.